for 10th class students. In the statistics chapter, one of the important model that is I am going to explaining, that is median, one of the measure of central tendency. In the last video I have explained about mode regarding the group data. Today in this video I am going to explaining median, how to find out the median for group data. So in 10th class, exercise number 14.3, 14th chapter, third exercise, how to find out the mode, question number 7, how to find out the median, question number 7 I am going to explain you. Here weight given, that is nothing but class intervals column, and next second column, number of students, frequency column, we can copy from the question. Number of students column is nothing but frequency column, that is 2, data we can copy 3, 8, 6, 3, 2, that is frequency column. So while you are finding the median of the group data, compulsory you should be find out the cumulative frequency in the median. So here sometimes in the question they can use the cumulative frequency. From the cumulative frequency we can find out the frequency. That is, you should identify very carefully before going to start the solution. So how to find out the cumulative frequency from the frequency means, let us see. Here what is the first number? 2. So in the frequency column, that is write as it is. In the frequency column first number, write as it is here. And then we can add 2 plus next number 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 and third frequency, 5 plus 8, 13. 13 and 6, 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Okay, now 30. Like this way we can find out the cumulative frequency from the frequency column. After that, in the frequency column we can find out the total number of total frequency. Sum of all these frequencies we want to find out. That is representation by n. So here what is the, we can find out their total, or otherwise shortcut way. In the cumulative frequency column, last number what is there, that is total frequency, because these numbers only added and written here. So that's why n value 30. Okay, now draw the table, close the table. Okay, after finding the n value, now we want to find out n by 2. N by 2 value we want to find out. N by 2, n value 30, 30 by 2. 2 table 30, how many times cancel? 15 times cancel. Why should we want to find out n by 2 value means? Because if you want to find out the median of the group data, we should require median class interval. So median class interval we can find out by using n by 2 value. So n by 2 value how much came? 15 came. So nearby that number in the cumulative frequency column, nearby that number, equal to that number or more than that number, nearest number. Which number is there in cumulative frequency column? 19. 19 opposite class interval is required median class interval. Therefore, required median class interval is 55 to 60. 55 to 60, this is required median class interval. Therefore, median class interval is equal to 55 to 60. Okay. After finding the required median class interval, next what we have to find out means we know the formula. regarding to median formula in group data, that is median m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. So that must be we have to remember. So in that we have some letters are there, L plus, like that. So that is L stands for lower boundary of the median class interval, and frequency small, this is frequency in the frequency column, and cumulative frequency means preceding that preceding number. Preceding means before the frequency number. This is taken as a cumulative frequency. After identification of all these things, next size of the class interval also we want to identify. So therefore L is equal to all these things you can write here 55, and f is equal to 6, and Cf cumulative frequency is equal to 13, and then h is equal to how much? The difference 60 minus 55, 5. After identification of those all, now we can write the formula, median formula. Median m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. That is the formula. Okay now. L value 55 plus n by 2 15 minus cumulative frequency Cf value 13 by f value 6 into h 5. Okay, now simplify this one, write as it is 15 minus 13 2 by 6 into 5. 2 table 6, 3 times cancel. Here like this way or like this way, cancellation possibility there means we can cancel. Otherwise these two multiply and cancel with the denominator number. So 55 plus, here 1 is there, 5 ones are 5 by 3. The numerator 5 cancel with the 3 table. 3 ones are 3. So remaining 2 is there. Not possible, cancellation, so that keep the point, it becomes 20. 3 6 are 18. 55 plus 1.6, that is equal 55 plus 1, 56.6. That is the required median of this group data. Okay students, so this is important for 4 marks or in the point of public examinations for 10th class students, very important. So please practice carefully. If you can like this video, please like this video, please share my videos, please give the support, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.